This is Mrs. Walton. I'm on the Davis School District homepage. I can follow a few steps on the Davis District homepage to get to where I need to be to get into Zearn. However, I did send to you an email that looks something like this. And it says, number 1, go to www.zearn.org. Enter my information. Your username is here with A, and your password is next with B, and then it says to click sign in. What it doesn't say is that you will also need to enter in your class code. So let me show you how that works. www.zearn.org. You'll get a page similar to this. I've already practiced this with my daughter's name, so her name currently is in there. I'm going to change the account to my son's name so that you can see the next step. If you try to log in with Clever, or if you try to sign in with Google, you will not be successful. You need to use the username I sent you and your password PIN number that you use to get into computers and other programs. When I sign in, it says to enter my class code. That was one of the things that it didn't say on the directions Mrs. Walton said. F for Fox, N for North, 8, D for deer, 6, R for rainbow. It says which class I am joining. I join the class, and it brings me here. This is the first part that I will see. It shows me what my mission is, measure and solve, and then it has number gym here which says to start. It will go through the number gym. There are 30-second teaching clips which you then show your knowledge after the teaching clip. When you have finished number gym, you will get a new level called Discovery Canyon. Again, 30-second teaching clips, followed by you answering some questions. I will move on to Learning Lab, which is the same pattern as before. And then I will go to Tower of Power. If I make a mistake, the program will take me through the process of figuring out how to do the question correctly. So you can get to Zearn through the Davis School District homepage. However, these directions are much more simple. The only thing that isn't there is number 4, enter your class code, because I didn't know that would be number 4. I copied what I see here from the login cards I got from Zearn. I hope this helped. This is Mrs. Walton, signing off.